might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance.
Hi guys, so in today's video I thought I would share with you how I maintain a twist out for 7 whole days. So just wanted to kind of give you this quick little overview of how I go through a week of a twist out and just basically how to maintain, because I get so many people that say my twist out don't last a whole week. But I'm going to show you that they can last a whole week, an entire week. Just twist your hair every night, wrap it up, and just keep doing it the same way every week, every day. And so, it can last the entire week. So I'm basically going to give you a preview of my week and just show you how I managed to maintain my twist out. And just a little tidbit, I think I lost a couple of clips in here somewhere, and they may have gotten out of order, like the last one I think should be in the middle somewhere. But anyway, you can't really tell the difference. But this just gives you, anyway, a quick, this was actually 7 days that I wore this twist out. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that you can do it. Just take your time every night, retwist your hair, wrap it up, and keep it moving. So this is me going a full week, going to work, and then the weekend. So you'll see 7 days worth of maintaining a twist out. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come get it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play.